This keto meal prep is taking hours out of my day.
This keto meal prep has a name!
Yeah, is it supersized? Because this bit's about to split.
My, what a big body shamer you are.
Yeah, flavor.
That was me a few years ago. Carrying a basket of bread everywhere made the little go away pretty quick. And Grandma and I almost got eaten by a wolf. But then I discovered Keto Chow. Hi, Grandma.
Hi, dear.
The delicious meal replacement shake that makes keto easy. Could you get that, Grandma?
Yes, dear.
Keto Chow got me back into my little red hood quicker than a wolf can down a granny.
Which is pretty fast.
You said it, Grandma. The keto diet turns your body into its own fat burning machine. Just cut out the sugar and carbs, and your body stops storing fat and starts burning it.
Don't you mansplain keto to me.
Before Keto Chow, keto was really hard. Keto-friendly dishes can require so much shopping, research, ingredient hunting. But I was such a believer in keto that I got excited to put some keto-friendly baked goods in my basket, and then quickly discouraged. It took me 3 weeks to make this cake, and it still sucked.
That is gross. And I smell my own.
Keto seemed so hard.
Smell my own butt.
Keto seemed so hard, I wanted to quit. But instead, I took my basket of complicated and bland keto treats and started filling it with Keto Chow, the complete meal replacement shake that makes keto easy.
Wow. Keto chow tastes way better than those free-range geriatrics.
Help, I've been swallowed and I can't get out!
Keto Chow makes meal prep easier.
It's so fast!
Just mix with water and the fat of your choice, like heavy cream, avocado oil, or butter. And before you know it, you could get rid of the fat of your choice, like chins, guts, and muffin tops. Plus, Keto Chow keeps in the fridge for up to 6 days, so you can have easy grab-and-go meals all week. So, if you're even a little red to try out keto, go to ketochow.xyz to get some quick, tasty shakes that will actually keep you in ketosis.
Yeah, that Hansel and Gretel, they almost gave me the diabetes.
What, Grandma?
From all the candy they were giving me. And by candy, I mean their flesh.
Keto Chow isn't just a snack. It's a complete meal with complete nutrition. Unlike other keto shakes that just throw you to the wolves.
That's offensive.
But true!
What? Offensive?
Keto Chow includes 1/3 of your daily nutrients. That's all of the vitamins, electrolytes, and proteins you need in a meal. Plus, 100% of your daily flavor! Basically, all of the stuff you need to feel full and satisfied until your next meal, and none of the stuff you don't. It doesn't matter if you're a cute little red or a big furry grandma. It's easy to customize your Keto Chow to get the calories you need.
Don't judge. I'm eating for 2.
More pork chops, please!
Less talky, more digesty.
Looking for the absolute simplest way to do keto? Check out the Keto Chow Starter Kits. They come in 3 options: Essentials, Premium, and Elite. Whether you're just starting keto or you're a keto diehard, go to ketochow.xyz to get the best kit for you.
Can you stop bringing that? It's making me salivate.
Each kit includes a quick start guidebook, blender bottle, and free shipping.
Ooh, I like the Elite. It's got all the bells and whistles.
I like it too!
Oh, high five, Granny. I mean, tummy.
If you're still not sure if Keto Chow can help you conquer keto, there are over 10,000 5-star reviews on Amazon that just might convince you otherwise.
This product makes it so much easier to stay keto.
You're barking up the right tree there, Lori.
I used heavy whipping cream and it tasted like a milkshake.
Sweet and delicious, just like you, Mark.
Yum! The chocolate keto chow is one of my favorites.
And you're one of my favorites, Lois.
Getting crowded in here!
I was talking to Lois.
And if you feel Keto Chow is too yummy for you, don't worry. They have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So, if you want something to talk about when your annoying healthy friends won't shut up about CrossFit,
It's really good for your core.
go to ketochow.xyz today. Grandma, heading out.
Don't leave without your scarf, dear. Hurry up in there.
Don't rush me!
The good folks at Keto Chow do not condone the consumption of grandparents to maintain a ketogenic state. But I do. I highly recommend it. Here you are, my darling. Oh, that's a little bit of lunch. Yeah, there you go. Be safe.